In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to activate Wi-Fi colon on the following device. So at first, just reach your phone dialer, tap on the more icon then, and select settings. Here you should reach Wi-Fi colon, and as you can see, smoothly by tapping on this switcher, you can activate this feature, and once you want to activate it, just click on enable. And that's it. From now on it's active, and you can change the mode if you want to, so it can be 4G or Wi-Fi preferred. It's up to you. So just pick the option that you would like to stay with. As I want to have it with Wi-Fi, I will leave it this way, but obviously you can set it up as only you wish to. So this is it. This is how you can activate Wi-Fi colon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.